Hi there. So in this video, I'm just going to quickly explain how to factorize quadratic trinomials. Okay, of the form x squared plus bx plus c, where a is a number that is greater than 1. Okay, so I'll do something like this. Alright, so the first method that I'm going to use out of two methods is what I call factoring by grouping. Okay, so we got this equation that is here. Okay, let's call this a quadratic expression rather. Okay, so we want to factorize this. All right, so what we're going to do now on this one is this. All right, so this is 2x squared minus 7x plus 6. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this number before the x squared, that is the 2, multiply with the constant over there, that is the 6. So the factors that I'm now looking for are factors of 2 times 6, which is positive 12. Now, I need two numbers that if I multiply, a gives me positive 12, and if I add, they give me negative 7. Okay, so I'm thinking 4 and 3. Okay, but now because this is a negative in the middle term, kind of like what I was saying in my first video, this means this 4 is negative and that 3 is negative. Okay, so now I'm going to rewrite this expression as follows. Then I'm going to say, okay, this is 2x squared minus 4x minus 3x plus 6. Okay, so that means I'm going to group this into 2, group that into 2. Then I'm going to factorize this one on its own, okay, by finding the common factor. So the common factor there between 2 and 4 is 2. Common factor between x squared and x is x. Okay, right. So if I divide 2 into 2, okay, divides x into x squared, that gives me more than x. Okay, so the minus there, take 2 divided into 4, so that is 2. Okay, and the x's will divide themselves. Okay, now in the second group between 3 and 6, the common factor is 3. Okay, so I'm going to take out the 3. Now if I divide 3 into 3x, I'm just going to remain with x. And please note, if there is a minus sign outside the bracket and there's another sign inside, the sign changes. Okay, so this plus sign changes to a minus sign, and then 3 divided into 6 two times. Okay, now as you can see, we've got common factors here. This x minus 2 there and then x minus 2 there are common factors. Okay, and because they are common factors, we can actually factorize them out like what we normally do with everything else. So x minus 2 is factored out, and then if I take this and divide into this whole term, we're going to be left with 2x. And then if I take this, divide into that whole term, we're going to be left with a minus and then that 3 over there. Okay, so this trinomial has been factorized. Alright, that's the first method. Now, I've got another method that I call slide divide bottom up. Okay, so it's still the same expression. So this method, how it's going to work is a little something like this. Okay, so we've got 2x squared minus 7x plus 6. Okay, same thing. Call it slide because I'm going to slide between the 2 and the positive 6 to get positive 12. Alright, so I'm still going to look for factors of this positive 12, okay, that add up to negative 7. Okay, uh, by now you would have known it will be negative 4 and negative 3. Now, with this method, this is what I'm going to do. Okay, so I'm going to have two brackets, one with an x, the other one also with an x, just like what we did before. Okay, right? So this one I'm going to say x minus 4. This one I'm going to say x minus 3. But now it doesn't end there because obviously it is not the factors in the expression. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back to my coefficient of x squared, which is 2. That means I'm going to divide that by 2 there. I'm going to divide that by 2 there. Okay, now 4 over 2, okay, that can be simplified. So that will be x minus 4 divided by 2 is 2. Okay, but now this one remains a fraction and you can't simplify it further. So what I'm now going to do is this denominator of 2. I'm going to take this bottom, take it up, and make it the coefficient of x. Okay, so that means there's going to be a 2 there. Okay, and then for the second bracket is going to have the 2 to the x minus 3. Okay, and then this has been factorized. Okay, so this is my two main methods of factorizing quadratic expressions when you've got a number in front of x squared. Alright, so I've put all my details in the comment box, my Instagram handle, my email address, and yeah, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like it, and please subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button. I'll see you in the next video, and thank you for watching.